Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Honda Africa Twin 1000. This is the Adventure Sports. Got the bigger tank, more engine guards, tall windscreen. It's higher, and it's also the dual clutch automatic transmission model. Beautiful condition. Only 18,500 miles. It's got the shad top case and shad saddlebags. Come on by, make your automatic transmission adventure sport dreams come true with this awesome 2018 Africa Twin 1000. Price to sell at just $12,499. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Automatic transmission. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.